Project Pressure is set out to create the world's first global glacier archive, collect images from all around the world, pair them up with GPS coordinates. So you can see where the glacier is at the current position. If there are historic images, you can see what it was in the past, and then looking towards the future, people can go back and replicate the position using the GPS coordinate, and thereby we can see what change looks like and what climate change is doing to the planet.
My name is Per Holmen, and I am a professor in glaciology at Stockholm University. Well, the Pallin tunnel was first described in the late 30s, and it was there during the 40s, and it was described by many, or not by many, but some authors. But then it disappeared, and no one saw it for 40 years. So it has been buried underneath snow and ice for 50 years.
Going up the Pallin Glacier tunnel, it's been something I've really wanted to do for a while. It's one of the world's only glacier tunnels that is safe to access. So basically yesterday we came up from here, which is about, it's not that long, but we're carrying quite a lot, and that's 6 kilometers.
But yeah, we're about, what's that, about 3 kilometers north of the...
No, I think we're here. When we get to about 1,200 meters, then we can just shift. Then we can probably see the glacier then. Mm-hmm. And then the tunnel entrance should be around there.
Or we can follow up this little dry.
Yeah. Is that where that's where the reindeer came yesterday? They must know what they're doing.
Yeah, well, they're following my fantastic food, obviously.
I thought we were following the locals.
Well, the reason why a tunnel can occur is that you have a water movement through the ice body. The water channel can reach the bottom in many different ways. I mean, one is that that we have a stream which has been snow covered and ice covered, and it has remained as a stream. But another possibility is that you have drainage on the ice surface, and that drainage channel can melt down to the bottom and start to run along the bottom, and then a tunnel can start to develop as there will be a flow of air through the tunnel. If you look in general on the glaciers in that area, they are all shrinking for right now. I mean, it had been so for the last 15 or almost 20 years. The numbers of the recession is different from glacier to glacier, but the trend is the same. To me, this is a very strong signal saying that something is going on with our climate.